Hey guys, I'm Tim Anderson with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a pretty simple core strengthening exercise that you can do. And it is called the How You Doin' cross crawl. So all you do, you get in how you doing position, this is pretty much it, and you lift yourself up, you touch, back down, up, touch, back down. So 2 hands on contact, your butt's in contact, your leg, everything's on the ground, kind of at a state of rest. Unrest, touch, rest, unrest, touch, rest. About 25 of these, do you just right. But no, so what we're doing is we're going from no tension, tension, no tension, tension, no tension, tension, no tension, tension. And we're sharpening our reflexes, but we're also picking up this lever, crossing midline, touching. We're getting good stuff going on in the brain, getting really good stuff going on in the body, because look, we're loading, contralaterally loading our limbs, touch, down, no tension, tension, no tension, tension. It's like Grover, near and far. And then obviously you'd want to do the other side. But this one could surprise you because it kind of adds up. And you'll just start to, oh, by the way, great way to strengthen your shoulders. Great way to start to strengthen your glute because you're getting hip extension. The higher you pick yourself up, you can open up, you really get that hip, the glute turned on, really open up that hip flexor. And you just work it from side to side. Super simple, pretty effective. Give it a shot, let us know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net. To train with Tim, go to osi-online.com.